All right, good people. Welcome to my journey where we'll be covering the stock market today. More specifically, some covered calls that I've previously been in. And we're going to get right to this. So I'm all logged in to my Robinhood app. And as you can see here, I have Spider pulled up, or the ticker is SPY, which is an ETF. And currently it's going for $581.79. I own shares of this. We're going to see how much. Oh, here we go. This is my dollar cost average, $551. See here, I have 100 shares. And I've sold a contract against it. So this particular covered call on SPY is for the 592 call. And as you see, it's going for $49. And as you can see, the expiration date at the time of this recording is January 15th. Now I got a credit of $31. At the time of this recording, I sold this contract January 13th, which is today. Now, here you can see that I'm down $18. But as you see here, I'm actually profiting should SPY go up to 592. Because if you just saw my dollar cost average, you saw I bought it at 554. So that's about a $42 difference. Now that's times 100, so that's 4 bands and change. However, I'm willing to do anything in my power to keep my shares, even though I would profit $4,200. So now, a couple of ways this can go. One of them being, if it goes to 592, I walk away and I profit $4,200. Or by the 15th, it doesn't reach 592, and this will drop back down at some point if it doesn't. In that case, I'll keep the $31 premium. Now, mind you, this is not the first time I did this since I've had 100 shares of SPY. I've previously sold a contract, and I bought that contract back for like 8 cents, but I got a credit of 116. If I can find it, I'll pull it up so you can see that. So currently, I'm going to offer the market $5 to buy this contract back. I'm going to click good till cancel before the market's closed right now. But I'll keep you posted as to how this trade plays out. Alright, so as you can see here, I'm offering to pay $5 to market to buy back the contract, which will release my collateral, my 100 shares, and remove my obligation to sell the 100 shares of SPY for $592 on or before January 15th, which is in 2 days. All right. Now the next one up, Palantir Technologies. The ticker is PLTR. At the close of the day, it closed at $65.29. Now let's see how much I paid for them. As you see here, I paid $70.90 per share. I have 100 shares. Now, yeah, I'm down a little bit in this one, but I did my due diligence, as you should do your due diligence before investing in the stock market. So as you can see, Palantir is going to be kind of interesting. Now, I sold a contract against my shares, and it expired January 17th, which is Friday. Now, I got a credit of $89. Oh, by the way, it is the $70 call. Now, I did pay more than that for it, but I'll show you why I did it. Now, you see here, from the $89 credit I got, my return is $49. So, and the current price of this contract, or I should say premium, is $40. So even though I'm up more than 50% as far as the contract's concerned, I'm still down because I paid $70.90 per share, and they're currently going for less than that. Now, why I did that, because at the current time, or I should say when I first sold this contract, Palantir was down 60 something dollars. I don't remember offhand, but so I sold this because if this goes to 70, maybe I might walk away from it. I get almost all my money back because the premium is 89. Now I pay 70.90, so if it goes to 70, I technically be down only $1, and that's why I did that. This is one I'm gonna have to keep my eye on a little bit. So a couple of ways this can play out is it can go to $70. I'd only be down about $1, and I'm okay with that. I really want to keep my shares though. My sentiment is still bullish on this stock. So another possibility I'm thinking, I can keep the shares and sell another contract against them, depending on the direction that this takes. I'm just going to monitor it as we go along. So this week there are two announcements that come out, one being PPI and the other one being CPI. That's Consumer Price Index. And the other one is pretty much not really for the average consumer. That one is more for businesses. Now what you're looking at here is the Fear and Greed Index. And currently, the average investor, according to this, is fearful. And previous, they were fearful. And a week ago, they were fearful. Now, none of this is investment advice, nor am I endorsing any company or ETF that I mentioned in this video. I'm only sharing my experiences with you. And what I'm doing doesn't mean you should. But as I see this Fear and Greed Index, this is a notion for me to buy. To me, this is bargain season. And in fact, even though as I showed you with my Palantir shares, I may even buy more depending on how this plays out after the two reports are done. As you see, a lot of investors, especially novices or beginning investors, right now, the market is experiencing pullbacks, and a lot of people are like, oh, I got to get out, let me sell my shares. And it's my opinion that that's a mistake. So as you see, a lot of other people that's on this platform will only show you their W's. They don't show you the L's. You just see mine. I would have, in fact, if I would got on a little earlier, I would have showed it to you while the market is open. But I will say this, just because the market is experiencing corrections, if you buy quality stocks and or ETFs, they should stand the test of time. There's no reason for you to panic and sell a house. By the way, that's not investment advice either. I can't tell you what to buy, hold, or sell, but I'm just sharing my experiences because I really enjoy investing and trading in the stock market, and I enjoy sharing my experiences with you all. Oh, by the way, I couldn't find the other SPY trade that I said that I would show you, but I'll finish showing you the one that I just showed today, because that one expires in a few days, so you get to see that one. Anyway, thank you for sharing your time with me. I appreciate it. And if you like the video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and all that good stuff. If you happen to see my picture and with a DM trying to sell you crypto or anything like that, it's not me. Matter of fact, like I said before, anybody that sells you a private offer, ask them to go live or ask them for a Zoom meeting, and you'll see the truth come out. Anyway, love y'all. Be well. Till next video. Peace.